Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This 600cc Supersport inline 4 fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, really beautiful condition with a matte black and sparkle metallic black finish. It's got a lot of carbon fiber sheeting on the front fender and the windscreen. Really beautiful condition, just 14,000 miles on this gorgeous ZX6R. Fender Eliminator kit. Make your super sport dreams come true. This beautiful Ninja. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Bike is priced to sell at just $69.99. Come by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.